Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to be playing Penumbra Overture. Now, I've played about... Oh, okay then a second. There are things I need of you, things you may not understand and may not wish to do. Please do not make the same mistakes I did. My father, Howard, deserted me before I was born. I could claim the loss of my mother, and the letter I received after her funeral blinded me to what I had to do. It would be a lie. Human nature sealed my downfall. My name is Philip. If we are lucky, that by the time you receive this, I will be dead. If fate frowns, we all perish. Nice sentiment. I played about an hour of this. I haven't gone very far in the game. I love how the two names there were Howard and Philip, which is HP, like HP Lovecraft. I love those stories. Easy. I am bad. I'm going to do normal because I'm not scared. The story began February year 2000. That's 15 years ago. That makes me feel
For my part in this allegory, I'm not going to make the same mistakes my father made.
You say that, but
Howard
we'll
vanished from my mother's life before I was even in it. So when he sent me a letter a few days after Mum's funeral, it was the first I'd ever heard from him. Pity he was dead. Writing from beyond the grave must be a genetic habit in my bloodline.
Ha!
His letter contained a key, instructions, pleas for forgiveness. I figured the dead don't have much use for absolution, so I turned to his prophetic passing, which he inexplicably expected to come any day.
Weird.
Clearly averse to explanations, my father preferred to leave directions to a bank on Mayfair I'd never even heard of. In that bank was a safety deposit box in his name, and myself as executor.
Neat.
Of course, I went, as he knew I would.
You're predictable.
I discovered that despite the evidence, he'd been legally declared dead almost 30 years ago, and so the old book and collection of notes I found had, in the eyes of the law, been mine all this time.
Oh. That was a dick.
My father's instructions were to burn the documents,
Came to you a
raise
long
no
time
further
ago.
questions. But that was his error. No man's immune to the shameful trappings of curiosity, and my humanity got the better of me. The university I taught at was world renowned for two things: physics and linguistics. I represented the first, and the man who stood for the second was stumped by my recent acquisition. The book was indecipherable. The notes, however, showed a location somewhere in uninhabited northern Greenland.
Neat.
It took me almost a year to book the last flight I'd ever take.
Huh.
As I watched civilization disappear along with Heathrow, I realised my father had disappeared 3 decades ago, almost to the day, and I considered in turn what it was that I was leaving behind.
Where's Heathrow?
We landed on a strip of ice a few feet wide, and within minutes I was pulling away on a chartered boat, beginning the 12-hour journey that would lead me into my past.
Cool. Hey, I'm looking up where Heathrow is. I'm very curious. You're in the game? Yeah. Oh, it's in London. Neat. I had a feeling it was. Okay. Finally, we're almost docked. I better stow my gear. I may be far from home, but chances are I can still pick things up using left mouse, and I can take a closer look at things using right mouse. Okay, weird thing to say. So, alright, let's keep this pen and paper handy. Okay, well, there's paper. You don't have a pen. You dummy. Oh, hey. Can I? Wow. Ah. Alright. Whiskey. Empty. Shame. Shame on you. You drunk. Yeah, I get it. Can I? Ooh! Haha! Fun. Let's start with the padlock and the key perfectly. Mine's in the inventory tab. Okay. Battery power. Fit. Can be expected. Okay. Do I double click? I do. And then grab and pull. Okay. Little ghoulish, but suppose I can. Okay. Inventory. Alright. Easy enough. Ooh, and batteries. Did it automatically get used? Is it higher? I'm assuming it's higher. Can I take the food? What is that? What kind of soup is this? Let's just put you here. And, oh. Yeah. Uncle Cthulhu's. See? H.P. Lovecraft. Called it. Oh, that's really cool, actually. I'm certain this map's a good decade or so out of date, but landmarks don't change much in Greenland, so I've got a pretty decent idea where I'm heading. Good. Don't need a notebook, jot down interesting information and reminders. I think of my torch in the desk drawer next to my bed. It can be opened using a left mouse on it, holding the button down, and moving the mouse. That sounds easy enough. Yeah. Got it. Or shortcut, so F. Oh. Ah. Everything I need. Want to get going before dark. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me just close that. And fish. Pretty odors. Glad I'm getting out of here soon. They must eat, sleep, and well. Do everything else in this one room for weeks at a time. Why would you touch that? Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Ah. Ew. Can I look at the pictures? Baby poster is nice. Some things don't change no matter how far you get from home. Lovely. That looks like a drawing. Alright. And now we're going to go outside. Open. As I stepped off the boat, setting onto the blizzard that had formed around me, That's loud. I realized how utterly devoted I'd been to the discovery of my father's past. I had no idea what to expect. Soon enough, my concerns were justified. I don't know whether I lost my orientation or my spirit first, but I lost feeling in my extremities. Soon after, a new hypothermia was setting in. I started looking for shelter. And that is blood on the snow, it looks like. That is bright. So cold, I don't know where I am. Need shelter soon. So what button was for notes? N? Okay, I'll look at that in a minute. My entire head went numb a long time ago. I can still hear the wind roaring past, or some kind of animal. And shift to sprint. Excellent. You're coming with me, rock. Hold the right button. Should about manage to pick up that rock. Oh, it's telling me to do that right when I did it. So throw things. Okay. Swing stone right. Okay, so. Oh, cool. And rotates. Wow, it's janky. Now can I open it? No? How do I? Oh. Right tighty. Lefty loosey. Right tighty. Lefty. Okay. And up? No. Crap. Is this thing clear? Is it? Open. I was really hoping that worked. How do I get you to go? Do I have to walk? No? Oh. That did work. Good for me. Proud of myself. Okay. And now it's dark. What the hell is that noise? Jesus, my head. I can't believe I fell that far and survived. Although, looking around, maybe I didn't. What is this place? How far did I Oh, I did fall pretty far. So that worked my way, but having a choice to rather die down here than suffer the cold any longer. But you might just get your wish, buddy. What was my name, Philip? This looks pleasant. Boxes. Ammunition boxes. Okay. Ooh. Emergency exit procedures. Can I read those? Well, there's emergency. I need to know what to do. Could be anything inside it. Is there? Ooh. Get out of the way. Ooh, stupid barrel. What is that? Flare? Oh, why is that? Okay. I know that from other games. Alright. And push. And push. And what are you? Sardines? What is that? 24 rush packs? Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's a army guy holding a cup of coffee. Okay. And more ammunition. No big deal. Nope, stop it. Don't freak out. Flare. So I can swing this hammer if I hold left mouse. I can pull back, make swing by pulling the right mouse. And then follow through by pushing left. This works too, pulling back and then thrusting forward. If I hold down right mouse after the backswing, I should still be able to look around. What? Alright, so let me go through this door. Okay, I can't go through that door. Can I climb over it? Can I use this? Oh. Hello? So, well, my hand something... Or in. Pleasant. Didn't really need that last part. What's in here? Oh, another flare. Gonna need that, I'm sure. And this is just what, a bar? A metal rod. Okay. Oh, I got a rod. Okay. Oh. Okay, and this is where I use the hammer. And move this. And... one. Oh. Oh. Jesus, that scared me. I know. What if I pull? Just smash it. Much better. I have a hammer. Oh, what was that? I'm assuming that's me freaking out. Okay. Stop that. Stupid walls. Okay. Alright. Now, oh. Let me get rid of the hammer. What's this? It's an industrial mechanism, though there's a hole in the center, there's no way to operate it. No, that's what the metal bar is for. But... Jesus Christ! What the hell? You stay the hell down there. God damn it. Oh, I'm gonna regret playing this game. I know it. I'm sure of it right now. Alright. A little right. There we go. And rotate. And pull. Is that... That worked. Alright. Whatever it's sitting into was 100 feet below ground, protected by two solid metal hatches located in a remote Arctic wilderness and buried beneath the snow. Those are all good things. I didn't know what to expect, but it made me feel something I hadn't felt since I was a child. Click. I had never given it much thought before, but I realized that our entire society is a network of safety nets, emergency services at the end of a phone line, health and safety in the workplace, friends, family, lovers, all there if something goes wrong. Part of a carefully designed structure to prevent all but the most mundane of emotions. True. Once again, I felt that like I did when I was in school, surrounded by a closing ring of older kids, knowing anyone that might help me. Friends, parents, teachers were too scared or too far away. Neat.